Saturday. Overcast day. Not too chilly. Probably 50. Low 50s. We're fishing for shad on the fall run today. We're getting some pretty good size of them too here. If I could land this guy, I'll give you a shot. Sometimes referred to as the poor man's tarpon, as you can see why. These are some pretty good sized shad. We've had some larger striped bass feeding on this shad up in here as well.
They are slippery.
Slippery, very slippery.
When you get them hooked in the bottom of the mouth, it's tough to grab them.
Yes, they have a very bony mouth, just like a tarpon. Oh, I saw that.
There he is.
I saw that. Nice. That's it. Keep the wood to him. That up, boy, Billy. That rod tip up. All right. What do you think? Can I go deep?
I mean, you can go as deep.
No.
You look a little rusty over there.
I'm a little rusty. I haven't caught one in 5 minutes.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, never mind. I'm all oiled back up now. Dude, I'm waiting for Mr. Pajama Pants to come up and inhale one of these. That's what I'm waiting for.
Yeah, I think you gotta have a high tide to get those bigger fish up in here. To come in here and eat these things.
Going in the water, Murph?
But there have been 25, 30 pound bass up in here eating these. It's cool when you come in here and the river is just littered with them and they're actually rolling and jumping out of the water.
Kind of like today?
No, I mean, you know, like nobody's fishing and these fish are just going ballistic. They're so piled up together, they're actually rubbing up against each other.
That's your fish right there, Murph. That's your fish.
Oh, I just missed him.
It's a very, very subtle hit here. There you go. Oh, wow, nice.
Very rarely do you get 2 shots in a row.
Very subtle hit. You very rarely, what you just happened is very rare. You get that 2 hits. We especially want to thank Bluefin Gloves today for their awesome gloves that they use.
Yeah, AFCO. Blue Fever. Oh, he's still on too. No? Oh, he came on.
Oh, good.
I thought I rehooked him. I've done that. Unhook him and then rehook him. Let it out. See, now that shoreline is cleared right out.
Those guys didn't do nearly.
No, in the short time that we were here.
I saw one fish get caught up there. And the guy up there got a few, and that was nothing. I saw one guy over there.
In the short time we were here, we probably caught as much as all of them put together and plus some.
Plus.
Wait a minute, what's this hat say?
I don't even know.
Life's too short, fish naked.
Wouldn't you know it?
Words to live by.
I got this hat from my friend Greg Snow, who often, when it gets a little crowded out there in the boats, he decides to get naked and scare people off.
Oh yeah, go for a dump. That's what you get.
Which I must say does work rather well. Yeah, you should get a pretty good swing right in there now.
It's definitely slowing because the tide is getting.
Yeah,
close to the
tide's. We're losing the tide. We lost the tide.
Oh, here we go.
There was no Bill Dance hook set there. That was quick. Maybe a small small shad there. Oh, nice one.
They're fun small fish.
Yeah, they're good fish on a small light rod. A lot of fun. Believe it or not, they give up pretty good fight. Hold him up, Murph, for the camera. Let's see what he looks like. It's not a bad sized little fish. Yeah, he really took that deep. Nice. The sun came out. It'd be gorgeous.
That's nice.
Well, it's good for striper fishing off the beach.
Yeah.
That's
what I'm wondering.
We're on to bigger and better things.
I think the stripers are down here in the deeper water, and I think we could go down.
You know what, dude? I think the stripers have. We could. We got all day. I got all day, man. I don't care.
No, I mean if you go jump in the river down about where that boat is.
Yeah.
Kayaks or whatever.
That's
put a heavy line on.
We can do that.
Get down in that 12-foot, that little slot down there. I'll bet you there's some stripers sitting in that deeper water.
You would think. We put on enough of a clinic. Is it time for us to vacate the premises?
I just figured I'd shoot a little video. Yeah, everybody's bailing out, and the fish are going to get smoking hot. And we're going to probably put 50 or 60 on the beach.
Oh my God. Phil just had himself quite the little casting episode. I couldn't bear to put it on film because it was that bad.
That's bad. That's real bad. That's the problem. This is really a warm water line.
This is a kind of a cold water fishery. The
The
lines we're using are, warm water lines. So sometimes we have a.
Here with my old 444 Cortland 8-weight double taper full sinking line and just annihilate fish.
Yeah, in here, yeah. On the right tide, yeah. Like now, I don't know about a sinking line. Maybe like a 250, 300 tops. Right now.
And I've got that line somewhere, I just don't know where. I've got so many.
You know me, I'm a big sinking line guy, and in here, every time I throw it, I dredge. Coming up with seaweed.
Yeah, you need like a 275.
Yeah, 275, 300 is perfect. All right, let that swing.
Yeah, this is the one. This is the one.
Let it swing, let it swing, let it swing. Now strip. See, not only is he a land captain, I am the land captain. He's the land captain, I'm the land guide. Nice. Another good size one.
Yeah, I'll bet you that one I had earlier was close to 20 inches. You know, they're thin fish, so it's a good size little.
Yep.
You know, I think that these guys actually are similar to salmon in the way that they imprint the rivers in their genes, and
yeah, these guys, yeah, absolutely.
And that's why
just like they come back to spawn, just like the herring every year.
It's a good size.
Yeah, certainly.
Well, that's why we don't get Americans in this river.
Yeah.
We only get hickories. I've never ever seen an American. I haven't talked to anybody who's ever caught an American in here. But you can't. These guys don't go into Palmer River. They get all Americans up there. Up in the shack.
Not a bad Murph Hunt, the land captain today.
You know, there is a guy in Florida called the land captain. And he drives around to all the local spots. And they'll take 2 or 3 people, and they jump in this truck and they drive around.
Nice.
Go and hammer baby tarpon and snook and stuff like that. Not a bad gig.
The land captain.